Hey y'all, it's 3D. Out walking in the woods. Wanted to take y'all on a little adventure. I can only do this one-handed because I'm armed with the other one. Ha! It's the only way I'll be out here. But I wanted to share the sounds of the swamp. East Texas swamp, y'all. That's what we're talking about. At night, this place is alive with sounds. I ought to bring you out here during July and August when the bullfrogs are bellowing. And those bullfrogs weigh about a pound and a half, 2 pounds. Big bullfrogs. Those of you that don't get out in the woods much, I hope you can soak this up. And I wouldn't come down here unless I was armed. At night, you can hear the owls. There was a big owl right there. Wingspans of 3 to 5 feet. Awesome, amazing owls. And when they howl, it's an experience that you'll never forget. I've always told you guys that I live in the swamp. I'll probably show you some of that here shortly. I haven't heard the coyotes in probably 5 days. We've had 3 inches of rain, and when we hear pond is full, it's got a lot of stuff on the top of it. And mosquitoes are pretty bad. I have my Thermacell on, which is a necessity when you live in the swamp. But out here at night, when the bullfrogs are bellowing, and early in the morning, when the coyotes are squealing, howling, it's a magical experience. It really is. The coyotes sound like ghosts in the woods. They're haunting. They have a haunting sound to their yelps and their squeals. And then there's the wild hogs that you can hear the big ones grunting, and you can hear the little ones squealing. I don't know why, but you can hear them squealing. And you can hear the frogs bellowing. You can hear the owls. And during the day, you can hear hawks and an occasional eagle sounding out. It's really a magical place. This is swamp. This is swamp. And the mosquitoes are going hey, wild crazy right now. And I have a Thermacell on. I wouldn't be down here without a Thermacell. Mosquitoes would eat me within seconds. So, If you can hear the frogs and the birds, it's amazing. I really don't have any wisdom to pass on. I just wanted to add the sounds of the swamp. And I'll probably do this again, maybe in July when the bullfrogs are full grown and bellowing, because that's an amazing sound too. And I hadn't been down here in a while, but we've had a lot of rain and I wanted to check it out. Those of you that enjoy nature might enjoy this video. I just wanted to share some swamp life with you. And hope that you guys are doing well. Sounds of the swamp. You know, sometimes stuff like this can take your mind off of all the minutia that's buzzing. And sometimes you need to take your mind off of that because you don't want your mind captured. You don't want your mind on being corralled and cornered by what all is happening. It's in God's hands. And I'm not saying don't do anything. And if you feel called to be involved with all of that activity, then God bless you. Do it for the right reasons. But sometimes you just need to take a break. Take a deep breath. Hug a tree. Anyway, I love you guys so much. God bless.